Yeah, today I'm going to store another project into Github. This is a hibernate bulk operation. For that, I'm creating one simple repository. Okay, for that, it's a repository name given, making the repository private, so no one can access directly. And admin file I'm using, it's not much important. Okay, so license is not required. It's optional. And creating repository, it will create new repository. Okay, it will create new repository. To store our project, to store our local project into GitHub, first time, what we have to do, just go to that yesterday code. We have to do these steps to move or to store our project into GitHub first time. Okay, use the below commands. First one is git init. Where the git init? This should be in a inside your project folder. Inside your project folder. Go to your project folder where it is. This is a project there in our local system. How to check that code properties and open this. This is my project folder. Here I'm opening a git bash. How to open? Right click git bash here. It will open git bash in this location. What in this location means? Hibernate bulk operation. This is a folder. So this is the hibernate bulk operation folder. Git bash is opened. Okay. Now what is the first command I have to enter? To move our project into GitHub first time. Git init. That means we are initializing a Git. For this is right now, this is not a Git project. You can see here, this is not a Git project. How to make sure this is a Git project or not? Inside that, we can see one folder .git. If it is not there, means it is not a Git project. If it is there, means it is a Git based project. I'm entering Git init command and check one difference here. It is just created .git. That means now from onwards, it is a Git based project. Okay. Okay. Next, it is a git add. What is git add? To add the files from local repository to or local workspace to staging area. That is for git bash. Before that, we use one command git status. We'll check what are different files we are going to store. These are different folders. In the folders, we have files also. Okay, just enter command git add dot. That means I'm telling all the files I need to store into GitHub for that. Okay, it is added and check again the status. You can see it is a green lines. This green means now it is staged area. What is staged area? All these things. Yesterday I given simple diagram. If you are not familiar, see again. Okay, this is our local directory workspace. This is our workspace. Workspace to the changes from workspace to staging area. How to take git add command. Okay, git add command. After that, we can use file names or dot. Dot means all the files. File names, you can specify the file names, each one. Here I use a dot. That means all the files I want to move to workspace to staged area. Now it is in staged area. From staged area to local repository. Local repository means simple dot git, maybe dot git, cancel like that. To move that folder, we can use git commit -m. What is the message we can give? First save. First save. It is moved to after git commit will move to local repository, that is .git folder. Now up to here our local system only. Up to here our local system only. See here in the below. We are in local system page. From local to remote GitHub, how to store that? We have to use git push command. Okay, so enter git push. Before enter git push, come and check here. This is master. Okay, here master not there. It automatically creates the master. Okay, just check what is error it will get git push. It is given something I don't know where to push. Okay, it's saying either specify the URL from the command line, configure the remote repository using git remote add. What that means saying no config git destination. From here, where to save in git, where to, GitHub or GitLab, if it is GitHub, where is the repository, what is the repository name? Those things we have to configure. For that, we have to enter this command. Okay, here not mentioned. Git add or git remote add. Okay, I'll try this. I think last time we entered some commands. Let's see that. See this git remote add. This is the URL name. So this the old one URL is Hibernate app one. That is a folder name. But it is now we are going to store Hibernate bulk operation. For that, just copy the URL from the GitHub. Go to here. This is repository bulk Hibernate bulk operation. Copy this one. Enter or paste here. Now I'm saying right from now onwards in this folder, if I enter any git commands, that should reflect in this remote repository. Okay, in this folder, if I enter any git commands, that should store in this repository, this URL. Okay, I entered this. Now push that git push. It is saying something. Git push set upstream. We can use something git push -u origin. Origin means remote. It is a master. Master branch not there. It is create. I will tell branching strategy later. It is moved to the master branch. Okay, go and check here. Refresh the page. Select here. We can see master now. Click on the master. You can see all our code move to the GitHub. Okay, from now onwards, I can give access to any persons who will join into my company. Okay, now I'm going to add authentication. Okay, I'm going to add you into my project. How to add? Go to settings. Last one, settings here. Collaborators. And that we can use add people button. Here search the username. Okay, someone sent usernames to me. I'm adding that. Okay, whoever send that username, study with that. In your system, GitHub should be configured and the Git bash should be configured. Okay, we can work both together. I'm adding Subramanyam. Next people I'm adding who sent to me Karthik. Karthik 56. Okay. Karthik also add. So both Subramanyam and Karthik go to your mails and check invite. Okay, check invite. Open your mail and check invite. Click on the invite button. So you can add here. Here I can see pending is still, this invite is still pending. That means you are not accepted my request. Go to your mails and click on invite. Karthik, what are you doing?
Yes, Anand, invite.
Why only 2 people? Remaining people are not trying. Who are trying with freshers, not much important. But who are trying with experience, definitely you should know this. Gautam, you can share your username also. But I lost.
I think yesterday I have.
This is new repository, so I have to add again. Yesterday I given access to you, that is for different repository. Hibernate app one, this one.
Okay. Let me share again.
Gautam, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. These three people I added. Okay. Now go and clone this project to your local. How to clone? How to clone? Just open. Okay, just open your GitHub. Click on repositories. Here you can see repositories, whatever I have right now. Okay, click on that Hibernate bulk operations project. You can try parallelly, okay? I'm going slow. You can try parallelly. Go to GitHub. You can see your repository here, right? In that, select Hibernate bulk operations. Click on that code drop down button. Select the copy this URL. Click on this, just it will copy automatically. Okay. Now go to your project location. I mean, any folder you can create in a local, because this code is not with you, right? In your local. Okay, go to your project. Sorry, not project. Go to your drive, any drive. I'm taking some temp location somewhere. Code. Okay, I'll create in downloads or documents somewhere. Okay, here I'm creating my folder. Just like what I'm doing, just select any folder. Git practice I'm giving. In that, all the Git code I can take. Okay, here what I'm doing, open Git bash here. Git clone -b, branch name I give master, paste URL here. Paste URL. It may open one pop-up. What like yesterday? Gautam, you may not receive that pop-up, but remaining people, Karthik and Subramanian, can see that pop-up to authenticate.
Okay.
Okay, if you see that pop-up, just give authentication, or else anyone you can share your screen. You are trying parallelly.
Anna is visible on.
Click on main. Above my photo, there is main drop down. Click on that, select master. Okay, this is your code. How to clone that?
It's copy and
Copy that, go to your local system and create one folder. Anywhere you can, okay, you can take anywhere, create one folder, Git practice like that. Yeah. Open Git bash here.
can.
Git clone, Git space clone, -b, -b, branch B, space, master, space, that paste URL. What is that? No. What is that? After that, what is that? Git type? After dot git, what is that? Stella. How it came?
Protocol 2000 HTTPS is not
Click
supported.
click on upper arrow button. Upper arrow button in keyboard. What is the last letter after .git? Remove that. Enter. Protocol. Git clone. What is that after master? Again, where from here you copied?
Hibernate bulk operations.
Okay. Again, type git clone -b master. Type again.
Git clone
-b master. Space URL. Enter. Please cloning. You may see some pop-up. See. Okay, this is a pop-up. Why it is? Because we need to authenticate. We need to authenticate. Like, where is our GitHub? Okay, who is logged in user? That we need to track, right? For that, we need to authenticate. Okay, click on sign in with browser.
Okay.
It will open. Go to browser. It will open one URL. Okay, enter your email ID or username and password. So in git clone command, right, you can see what is that your browser did not something expected. Please try again later, right? Sense something getting give error for you. See in the command line, what is that error we see? Close that. Open the git bash. Close. Control C. Again enter command. Run same command. Don't type, just upper arrow. Enter. Sign with the browser again. See that you open browser. Authorize. Your password, okay. Is authentication completed? Okay, go to your git bash. This clone completed. So after authentication, automatically it will clone all the data. So authentication mostly required only first time, not for every time. Okay, so Karthik trying first time, that's why he asking the username password. If a Gautam tries, it will not ask because he is already authenticated yesterday. Okay, you clone the code into deep practice git practice folder. Now go to your Eclipse and import this project. So in real time, you can observe the command git clone -b. -b, you are specifying, please clone only branch master. Maybe branch is master. Okay, if you don't provide, it will clone default branch. What is default branch? Default branch will be mentioned by your administrator. You can see GitHub, in the GitHub, in my GitHub, that repository have default branch is a. What is default branch in GitHub? Open GitHub once. Click on master. See what is default one? Main. Main is a default.
Main.
So if you don't provide -b master, it will clone default one main. So want to tell to git command clone from this branch, you can use -b branch name. Okay, that is fine. Go to Eclipse and import your project to here.
మేమేనే కదా.
Existing Maven project. So it is imported. Okay, it is import in the project. Now I'm sharing my screen. Gautam, you also done same, right? Imported project, right? Suppose you want to try. I'll try. Okay, take time 5 minutes more. Do same, import into your project. Okay. Now I'm giving task to you. Okay, right now I have 3 people. Okay, right now I have 3 people. And Karthik, Gautam. Okay. These 3 people created a GitHub account. My project access to given to these 3 people, so they can access this code. Okay. Now what I'm asking for Subbu, I'm giving one task. What is? Just create a new class. Create new class in, okay, this any class name, fine. Write a logic for even odd numbers. Okay, this simple code is going to write in my project. Okay, Karthik writing prime number logic. Gautam writing string reverse logic. Okay, in this code, go to any package, or else you can create your own package. Com starttext dot Subbu. You create with your name only, not much issues. You can create any name. Create with your name. Okay, like that create. I'm creating with my name. Okay. In that, create your logic. Maybe Subbu writing even and odd, and Gautam writing string reverse, and Karthik writing prime number logic. You can take Google help. No need to write your own code. Okay, you can write code immediately. Don't take much time. It is very simple logic. Okay, copy from Google for now. Okay. So my side, I'm writing one more logic. Word count in line. There is one line. I'm writing word count. Okay. Don't think about logic now. Okay. Think about how to work with branches. So up to here, I given task. How we are going to implement? How you are going to implement? Don't write immediately. How we are going to implement? If you implement something in existing code, okay, if you write something in existing code, maybe somewhat you are writing wrong code. That wrong code you are pushing into this branch. Okay, pushing into this branch, master branch. That master branch gives some error. Okay, maybe scenario think Subbu written code rightly, no issues on that, is working fine. Karthik also written correct, but Gautam given some wrong code. Due to the wrong code, completely the project is not working. Okay, 2 people did correct code, 1 people did wrong code. Some mistakes, but due to that mistakes, the complete project is not working properly. That is a problem, right? If these 3 people working on same branch, okay, these 3 people working on same branch, there may be a chance of some problems. Let me explain again. If you are not clear. Okay. So this is the repository. This is the repository Hibernate app 1. Okay. In that, there are 3 people working on Hibernate bulk operations, right? This is the project name. In that, I told task to 3 peoples. Okay. The 3 people working on the different task. So first one doing even odd. Listen clearly, carefully, because it's very important. Okay. Second one is Subbu writing something. Some even. So what is that, Subbu? I task given to you. Okay. Even not Subbu. Next one is prime logic Gautam or Karthik. Third one is string reverse. Okay. Fourth one is word count. Word count or character count. For total, how many characters are there in the given string? Example, I given string ABCD. This is 4 characters. Like that, I want to get out one count. This is 4 people working on 4 different tasks. Okay. So this is Hibernate operation. This is a master branch. I given access to you. Okay. Right now it is a master branch. So all the people completed their task. Okay. They might push the code to this master branch. Okay. This master branch, it is pushed. But unfortunately, this even odd program is working fine. This also working fine. But the string reverse, it is not working. Okay, not working. This is a buggy code. There is one bug is there in the string reverse code. But due to this one issue, the complete project is not working. The existing code is disturbed. How to revert back? Okay, already code is merged, right? How to revert back? That is a problem. To avoid that, we have a branching strategies. Okay, we have a branching strategies or branches concept. What is the branches? For every requirement or task, we will create copy of existing working code. For every task, first we will create copy of existing working code. Then work on copy code. Okay. This copy code in the case of duplicate. We'll get duplicate of existing code. Then in that duplicate code, we do a changes. Okay. This duplicate code nothing but one branch. This is a branch. Okay, let me explain again. So here it is a master, right? So it is a master, the existing working code. Now I given task to different people, different tasks. What they do, instead of working on same master branch, existing code, working code, they will create another code from the existing code. Okay, that existing code, this is existing code, from that they will create another branch. Okay, that branch name they can give something like, they can give their own name, any name they can give, Subbu task. Okay, I'll create another branch, same like this. This is Gautam task. Okay, I'll create same existing another one, which is Karthik task. It's clear up to now? I think it is clear. Now these three people, even and odd, these three people are four people. Okay, they are creating branches from existing branch. Existing working branch is a master. They created another branch. Okay, this is completely one repository. This is completely one repository only. Okay, fine. This is existing repository only. In that we have multiple branches. One is master, the existing one. From that master created multiple branches. Okay, fine. So once that work is completed by Gautam or even and or, they can merge. Okay, they can merge or they can push into. They can push into this branch. Okay, and prime number push into this branch. String reverse push into this branch. Okay, if you create another branch, you can push last one also into another branch. Just ignore for now these three enough. Second. So consider we have only three tasks. So the even and task is pushed into Karthik, prime number logic, Subramanyam, and string reverse to Gautam. Okay, these three people are working on three different duplicate code. Okay, different branches. These three are branches. After that, the testing team will test that code. Okay, testing team will test that code. This is working fine. First one. Again, testing team will test Subramanyam branch also. This is working. Gautam task is not working. This is not working. So in this case, what will happen? In this case, what will happen? Gautam worked on different branch. This is another duplicate code. Okay, this is another duplicate code. So it is not working. So still fine because he worked on duplicate code, but not original code. Whatever code working on, okay, whatever code is working, is tested by testing team. They can merge their code to master again. Okay, these two are merged to master. This is called merging. Merging what? One branch to this is a one branch. This is master branch. Okay, this is another branch. This is another branch. In that, which branch is working, which branch is not working? Karthik branch is working, Subbu branch is working, but Gautam branch is not working. So Gautam works on different piece of code, different branch. This is completely different. Okay. If it is case, this is not working, so no worries because our original code is not affected. Still is working fine. Our master branch is original is not disturbed. Whichever code is working fine, Karthik branch that will merge to our master because it is working. And Subbu task was completed. This branch is become merged to master. Here I cover two concepts. One is branch. Branch is nothing but duplicate code of working code. Okay. Another one is merging. Once that work duplicate branch is working perfectly, tested by testing team, they can merge their changes into main branch, that is master. Okay. Then this master branch we can deploy into our production or whatever. That is a different story. Okay. Now I given two tasks. First, I'll tell how to create a branch. How to create a branch? Go to here, master. Click on this. Repeating again. Go to GitHub. Open our repository. Click on it. Open or click on this view all branches. Here you have a new branch. And repeating again. Go to your repository. Click on master. There is one link, view all branches. Create a new branch here, new branch button. I'm giving branch name. My task name is word or character count. Char count. This is my branch name I given. This is my branch name I given. I'm asking from where I'm creating here. In the diagram, see, Karthik created Karthik task branch from where? Master branch. Okay, like that, I can select. I can create master branch from main branch or someone else branch. You can provide here. You can select. So I want to create the duplicate code from master. That's why I'm selected the master branch. From master branch, create another branch, duplicate branch. Okay, click on create branch. Now go to again your repository. Select this. See now your branch name. Yeah, I just now created this branch name. I selected this. Okay. Right now I am in my branch. It is a completely duplicate code from the master. Whatever changes I did, if I do in this branch, it will not affect that main branch or master branch. Okay. And go to your Eclipse. Okay, go to Eclipse, import to or not import. Let me open that where I cloned in music somewhere I cloned. Git practice. Here I clone my code. Import that project. I'm also importing like you to show you to understand better. Hybrid bulk operation. It is select the folder and it will import. Up to here already you know. Just ask questions if you have. And also try to do parallelly. Right now the master branch because I cloned master. Right now, if I want to clone different branch, how to clone? Git clone -b. If I want to clone another branch, I can give my branch name here. Okay, change underscore. What is the branch name I given? A char count, something branch name. This is the branch I can give. It will clone. So in your case, already you clone master branch, right? So you don't have to clone again because clone is for only one time per repository. Just read that new person wants to take the code first time into local. This is one-time activity for repository, but not per branch. Okay. If you clone one time, you can switch automatically. What that mean? Right now, in what branch I am in?
Master branch.
Okay, where is that location? Okay, here I'm opening the bash. Here right now I am in master branch, right? To switch master branch to my branch. Okay, I cloned master branch. Okay, I cloned master branch. I want to switch to my own branch. How to switch that? First do git branches. or git branch. Here I have only one master branch. So when I clone this code, that time only one branch is there. That is why I can see only git branch. Or just try to do git pull just to get the latest code. Just to get the latest code. Subbu already created this branch. I just created. So Karthik, you also can try. Both also you also can try. Now I want to switch to master. Right now I'm in master. You can see here green color. Again do git branch. Okay, git branch I can see only one. Okay, how to get the branches? Huh? 1 second. How to check on git branches or git branches. Git branch -r and okay. Okay, you can see all the branches here. This is master main. Main is the default one. Master is I created and character count also created. Should be created by this branch. Now, right now I'm in master branch. To switch my branch code to master branch. Okay, always you are working your code. You have to check I am in which branch. I am in correct branch or not. Now I want to implement my code, my task. I want to implement my task means I should be in my branch. How to switch that? Git switch. Just copy this one, paste, paste. Got more branch. Okay. So it is switched. See here, switched to new branch character change to underscore character count. So previously I was in master branch. Now I switched to my branch. That means now I'm in my duplicate code. I can change. I can write my code in this branch. Okay, you are there in your branch. Okay, now go to here and refresh the code and see you are in Eclipse also you can see, right? This is the branch name, 10 underscore character count. Whatever you can see in the command line, same you can see here. Right now I am in this branch. You can see last here. Okay, now start writing your code. Now start writing your code. Whatever we did, git switch character count, my branch name I switch it through command line. So want to switch through ID only, you can also do that. ID also provides support same. Go to right click on that teams. See here again, want to work with git commands in the Eclipse only. Right click on that teams. Right click on the project. The team option, not teams, team option. In that you can see all the git features: git pull, git commit, git push. Okay, there is git switch. Git switch. Want to switch to another branch? Click on this. Select your branch. What is our branch name? Okay, maybe Subbu something is right. I want to switch my branch to Subbu branch. How to switch? I'm showing again in the Eclipse. I click team git. There is switch to other. Type your branch you are not finding. You can see. Okay.
ఒకసారి నా నేమ్ చూడన్నా.
New name. So if your name is not available, see your name not available. I will tell you reason. Git switch to other. Maybe you created with your name, right? Your name not available. That means what? Whenever you pull this code, that time your branch is not created. Whenever you pull this code into your system, that time your branch not available. You were created later, maybe after some time. Now to get that latest branch data also, right click team. There is a pull option. Right click team pull. Pull means get the latest whatever changes done by in the GitHub. So anyone can done. I want those changes. Git pull. Okay. Give your username password. Maybe I got my password. How to get my password? You can try. I'll try to record my password quickly. Okay, let's try this. They're asking password again. That means it is wrong. It is wrong. You can try. Maybe I forgot my password. Right now I cannot show. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, I cannot record right now. Okay, but I can do command line because command line already know that password. How to pull the data from command line? Same git pull command. Here it is command, but in UI there is option like pull. Now I can see Karthik, new branch created. Go to here. It is already pulled right from the command line. Refresh the code and git switch to git teams, switch to other, type your Karthik name. Not coming down. Huh? It is not coming to me. Just to refresh again. It should come. You can try. In my situation, I forgot my password. Okay, I will try to switch directly in the command prompt. Git switch. Error. Your changes to be following files. Files changes. Okay. Git reset. Okay, it's switched to Karthik, right? Previously it is a my branch. Now I switch it to Karthik branch. Okay. In Eclipse I cannot do right now because I forgot password, but in command line I can do. Okay. You can see, you can check in our local system in Eclipse. You can see that maybe your all the branch names, but my case is somewhat problem right now. See, I can see right now. It's taking some time. Taking some time. Okay. Okay, fine. So right now I'm in a Karthik branch. If I want to switch to different branch, I can do command line, also Eclipse. Both I can do. Okay, I'm switching to my branch, my own branch again. This is my branch. Check out. It will switch to my branch. You can see here my branch name. Now start your coding. Okay, switch your branch. You can in the command line you can confirm where you are. Where you are. Right now I'm in my branch. So in your case should be your name, your branch name. Okay. Eclipse also you can see same. Up in the project at last you can see I'm highlighting here. This is my branch name. In your case should be your branch name. And go and create your package name, your own package name. Okay, go and create your own package name. Okay, this is my package name I given char count 1. Like that, you can create your own name, any package name, anything, your name or your task name, anything. My task name is count, char count underscore. Any package name you can give. Okay, not much any rules for that. Okay, start writing your code. I'll give only 3 minutes. A very simple task. Just copy from Google. You can paste in your code. Okay, not much issues. I'm writing char count. What is the character count in a given string? What is the character count? How to get? Example. String name equal to. I'm giving my name. In that, I want to count all the characters. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That I want output. How to get that? Maybe there are multiple logics. Many logics are there. You can select any logic. Your own approach also you can implement. I'm going through for loop simply. I'm going through for loop. Try to implement quickly. Don't take much time. You can copy your code from Google also. Total number of characters is this one. You can test yourself. Right click, run as. You can see in my string, there are total number of characters are 14. Okay, if I add Java also, it should be 14 plus 4, 18. It is working fine. It is working fine.
అన్న వన్ స్మాల్ డౌట్ అమ్మా.
Ah.
నా అట్ ఏ టైం ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు చెంచు చార్ కౌంట్ లో రాసినదానా అట్ ఏ టైం మేము కూడా ఇప్పుడు సుబ్బు అన్న దాంట్లో నా దాంట్లో రెండు దాంట్లో కోడ్ రాయొచ్చాము.
రాయొచ్చు దట్ అది మధ్య కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ టాస్క్ అది నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనుకో. ప్రజెంట్ ఓన్లీ బ్రాంచెస్ గురించి చెప్తున్నాం. Okay, just write your. That's why I told to create your own package. Otherwise, there will be a chance of conflicts. That is different concept. అయిపోయిందా? తొందరగా రిప్లై ఇవ్వండి. అయిందా? ఫాస్ట్ బ్రో, వై ఇంత టైము? కార్తిక్, గౌతమ్, గౌతమ్ వినపడుతుందా?
అయిందన్న చెక్ చేసినాను.
గౌతమ్
నాకు ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తే చూస్తాను, అది రావడం లేదు.
చెయ్యి. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్, అది ప్రైమ్ నెంబరా? ఓకే,
ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్.
సో ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ లాజిక్ గురించి అంత ఆలోచించదు, ఏమి టైం వేస్ట్ ఏం అసలు లేదు. సో నేను లాజిక్ అభ్యసించిన చాట్లో తీసుకురా, అంత టైం వేస్ట్ ఏం అసలు. కాపీ చేసుకో ఫాస్ట్గా. సో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఐఎమ్ టెండింగ్ Subbu will also take even number odd number. Okay.
నాకు కాపీ చేసింది మనం ఇప్పుడు హైబర్నెట్ అనే దాంట్లో పేస్ట్ చేయాలన్నా, ప్యాకేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి. హలో,
స్క్రీన్ షాట్. ప్యాకేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి ఓన్ గా నీ నేమ్తో. నీ నేమ్తో క్రియేట్ చేయి పైన ఎస్ఆర్సీ మెయిన్ జావాలో. ఓకే, ఎంటర్ ఇన్వాలిడా. ఓకే ఓకే ఫినిష్. అక్కడ మెయిన్ మీద ఒక క్లాత్ తీసుకో. Take any class name. Prime. మెయిన్ మీద బయట కాపీ చేయి. remove line number 24 main method. Okay, remove line number 6 also.
Line number 6 అన్న.
కరెక్ట్ లేవు నువ్వు, కరెక్ట్ లేవు నువ్వు అట్టే ఉండు. లాస్ట్ లైన్ నెంబర్ 22లో క్లోజ్ బ్రాకెట్ ఇంకోటి కొత్తది. ఓకేనా, ఇది నీ కోడ్ టెస్ట్ చేసుకో. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటెడ్ అప్ టు 10. సో ఈ కోడ్ నీకు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. సో పుష్ ఇంటూ యువర్ బ్రాంచ్. హౌ టు పుష్? ఆల్రెడీ యు నో కమాండ్. How to push your changes to your branch?
By using push command. Git bash.
Go to git bash, but first check what is the go to inside repository cd space type h capital H tab symbol, tab button. Tab button. Folder name. Okay, enter. Right now you are in master branch. Go to Eclipse. See what is the branch name you are working right now? Branch name. I told how to check branch name. That is a project name. After that, ఆ పక్కన ఏముంది? హైబ్రిడ్ కార్పొరేషన్ పక్కన
మాస్టర్.
So you are in master branch. I told you work on your own branch. So you are in master. You have to switch into your own branch. How to switch? Right click on that project. Team, switch to other. Search your name, your branch name, your branch name. It is not coming. That means you have to pull again. Close that.
Okay.
You don't have all the latest branches. That's why you have to pull again. Right click on project. Team. Pull. ఇది యూఐలో. ఓకే, యూఐలో యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ నీకు గుర్తుంటే యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇవ్వు. again asking so enter again. Okay, just leave that. Close that. Our aim is to learn commands, not UI tool. Okay, close. Okay, go to git bash again. Do same, git pull. Enter. You can see after you clone the branch, there are new 3 branches. Okay.
Okay.
Now command git switch. You are switching master to your own branch. Give your branch name. It is aborting. Okay, okay. That I will tell later. So just type command git reset. On the git reset, we'll type space hyphen hard HARD
HALT no?
hard HARD. Enter. Okay, now do the git switch same command. Okay, now you are switched to Karthik_prime. Okay, you
Okay.
can check in that line at the end Karthik_prime. That means you are currently in Karthik_prime. Okay, now go to your code again, right? Refresh, right click on project, refresh. Close that. Just close all the tabs here. Prime, all these things there. Close that. Close all. It is somewhat corrupted in the system. Close that also. Right click, refresh again. Is corrupted. Okay, expand that error. Karthik underscore Karthik package. Open that. Something is happened. That's why it is giving error. It's corrupted completely. Such in Java is corrupted. Okay, fine. Just Karthik, you do one thing.
No.
Yeah, close. Delete that all prime also. Okay, still same. You do one thing. This is go to that your directory. Where is the directory? Or else click on the project name. Right click, delete.
No.
Delete.
Delete no?
Check that. Wait. Check delete checkbox is right. Delete project content.
Okay.
Delete.
Okay no?
Okay. Go to command line. Git bash. It is enter. Okay, it is deleted. Now again do clone freshly. Git clone -b. Your branch name. Branch name on ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నావు లింక్ ఉందిగా లింక్ వాళ్ళగా git clone -b ఎలా చేసిందే కదా బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ ఆ URL కాపీ చేయి.
ఎక్కడదానా
అయిపోయిందా? క్లోన్ అయిందా?
నా URL తీసుకోవాలన్నా
గిట్టెప్పుడు ఉంటుంది URL
తీసుకున్నాను.
పేస్ట్ చేయి ఇక్కడ. చేయి.
ఓకే అమ్మా. హలో అన్నా,
అలా స్పేస్ బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్ పక్కన URL పక్కన స్పేస్ ఉండాలి కదా. అట్లా అట్లా డైరెక్ట్ కాదు, మౌస్ డైరెక్ట్ కాదట, డైరెక్ట్ రాదు, మౌస్ పనిచేయదు, యారో బటన్ ఆ స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి URL పేస్ట్ చేసి క్లోన్ చేసుకో. క్లోన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకో ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్లిప్స్లోకి. ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నీకు కోడ్ చేంజెస్ చేయి, ఒక న్యూ ప్యాకేజ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే
అదో నీకు ఎక్స్ట్రా వస్తున్నాయి క్యారెక్టర్స్, ఎందుకు నాకు అర్థం కాదు మరి. అది తీసేయి. లాస్ట్లో టిల్డా బట్ సింబల్ రిమూవ్ చేయి. ఎక్స్ట్రా క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి నీకు? మళ్ళీ పేస్ట్ చేయి. చూడు సార్, లాస్ట్లో టిల్డా సింబల్ తీసేయి.
లాస్ట్ స్క్రీన్
టిల్డా సింబల్ లాస్ట్లో గిట్ పక్కన ఏముంది?
నాకు స్క్రీన్ ఇది పైన ఇది కనిపిస్తాను స్క్రీన్ షేర్ స్టాప్ స్క్రీన్.
ఓకే కాదు, నీకు కింద చెప్తున్నా. సరే ఒక పని చెయ్యి, URL కాపీ చేయి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గిటబ్ నుంచి. ఎందుకు వస్తుంది నీకు అట్లాగా? గిట్ బ్యాష్లోకి వెళ్ళు. ఇక్కడ URL రిమూవ్ చేయి ఒకసారి. గిట్ క్లోన్ -b git clone -b branch name -b అంటే అండర్స్కోర్ పెడతావు, ఏమైంది? URL పేస్ట్ ఇక్కడ. నీకు ఏదో ఇష్యూ ఉంది, ఒకసారి URL నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో పేస్ట్ చేయి. సరే కాపీ కావట్లేదు, మళ్ళీ కాపీ చేయి. స్టేటస్ పెట్టాను కాపీ, నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో పేస్ట్ చేయి. ఇది మళ్ళీ కాపీ చేసుకో. ఇప్పుడు గిట్ బ్యాష్లో పేస్ట్ చేయి. ఉండు, అది రిమూవ్ చేయి ఫస్ట్. GP అంతా
అప్పారు కదా,
అది రిమూవ్ చేయి. HTTP అని ఎందుకు అంత ఇష్టం ఎందుకు? గిట్
ఒకటి
అప్పారో కాదు గౌతమ్, ప్రతీక్ మళ్ళీ టైప్ చేయాలి గిట్ క్లోన్. ఇప్పుడు పేస్ట్ ఎంటర్ cannot create tree, no such file directory. ఓకే ఒకసారి cd స్పేస్ డాట్ చెయ్యి ఎంటర్. ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేయ కమాండ్ అప్లై క్లిక్ చేయి, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి ఎంటర్ చేయి. ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లోనింగ్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ క్లోన్ just import into your Eclipse. Okay, write your code. Okay, after writing code, inform to me. I will tell what we have to do. Okay, meantime, Subbu can share screen. Karthik, let me know once you import into Eclipse and do your code. Share your screen.
Package export.
Create
Package.
No, బస్ ఇంపోర్ట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావకు. కోడ్ ఇంపోర్ట్ కావాలా ఇంకా. ఫస్ట్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చెయ్యి, తర్వాత నీ కోడ్ యాడ్ చెయ్యి. ఓకే, సుబ్బు షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్. Okay, you imported open that you are in Subbu _ even or odd. Okay, you are in right branch, your branch. You are in your branch and you did code changes. Show me your package. Okay, here you created Subbu _ even odd or package, and that your code is there. Okay, that is fine. Okay, code is fine. Enter a number. After that, reading from the scanner class and checking that even odd or not. Okay, that code is correct. That's fine. Now your code is completed your locally. What is next step? You have to push your code to GitHub, to your branch. How to push? Already I told yesterday, whatever changes we are doing in our local, that changes we have to push into our branch, GitHub branch. How to push that? Go to command line. As a first step, we have to add. Okay, good. Click on git, maybe the command git status. Okay, you see here in the git status, there are new files are added, even or odd Java. Okay, there are that is new file. And second one is manifest.mf, that is added by your Eclipse only, so don't consider that. And the third one is POM properties, that is done by Eclipse only, so just ignore that. And the last one also .class file, that is also not required. So here your main code is in even or odd.java, right? That is your main code. And so last red lines, what are those? Modified, deleted. That is same, that is fine. So okay, I think your package name just you deleted and again you added. That is fine. What you do? Select your file name completely, whatever you just created. Complete file name with the path also. Right, double click on that, it will automatically highlight. Right click, copy. You copied that. So you want to send only this file to GitHub. There are multiple files. Okay, there are 4 files. There are changes, but you want to commit. You want to push only one file. Okay, I told to push all files, you have to use git add dot. But to push only one file, git add that file name. Just type the command git add, paste that file. No. Okay, fine. Just enter. Okay, now again type git status. Okay, fine. So right now that even odd the Java file is there in a staging area. To move staging area to your local repository, this we have to do the commit message. Git commit check spelling COMMIT -M space -M. Message you have type here. Just open after immediately -M open the okay, just after immediately only. Don't give space. Just type message. I added even odd logic. Just some commit message to understand that. Okay. Just enter. Enter. What is saying some issue? What is that? What is that? Git config global username. Author integration. You already clone, right? Why it giving that username password? No git init చేసినావా? Okay, so okay, git init. I think I did wrong mistake. Go to GitHub, copy that URL. Copy URL. Then write one command, maybe one command, git add remote git remote add origin, git space remote space add space origin, git remote add space origin 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 ORI origin space just space that URL. Error already exist. Okay. Okay, then fine. Copy that our line git config -global username, global user email. Copy that. Git config -global. Top, go top. Git config. Copy చేసుకో పైన కొంచెం copy that line, complete line. Complete line. Okay, paste down. Copy. No, paste notepad first. Replace that your mail ID. Okay, go to git bash. Don't copy. Go to git bash. Copy below line also. Notepad. Your username. Go to GitHub. You can check your username. Okay, just paste these lines in git bash. Git bash. Just paste both lines, fine. Don't type, just paste. Enter. Should not affected. Go paste one by one. Second one. Okay. Do git push now or git commit. You can use upper arrow automatically. There is one git commit message already there. One command. Enter. Okay, it is committed. Okay, now it is in your local repository. It moved to staging to local repository due to this commit message, commit command. Now you want to push to the GitHub, right? Your branch. Now use the git push command. That means you are pushing your local code to remote repository, GitHub. Enter git push. No, just enter. You already given your username, password, your username, those things. So it's already now. So your code is pushed. So go to your branch in GitHub and check your changes are there or not. Karthik, any update? Select your branch first. Branch, where is your branch? How to select? Click on main. There, all branches are there. Select your branch. Check your package. Your package is in SRC, main, Java. Your code is there. Okay, your code in your branch. Okay, close. Okay, remove your share screen. I will share again. Karthik,
అన్న
అయిందా?
ఇది కావడం లేదన్న.
ఏమైంది?
సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఫాస్ట్ గా. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఫాస్ట్ గా.
చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే.
ఓకే, గో టు ఎక్లిప్స్. ఇంపోర్టెడా?
అసలు రావడం లేదన్న. చేస్తుంటే
ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు
చేస్తున్నా. ఇది రావడం లేదు. ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్
చెయ్యి. ఇంకో స్టెప్ ముందుకు పోవాలా? గిట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఫోల్డర్ లోపల ఇంకో పోవాలి. Open again, browse. Now select your project name. This is your project name. Select the folder. It's not coming up. Go to your git bash.
ఓకే.
Git practice. Deep git practice. Okay. Check. Go cd space capital H hibernate. Enter tab button. Enter. Okay, it is there. Why it is not coming to Eclipse ID? D practice, git practice. Go to Eclipse. D ఒకసారి ఎక్లిప్స్ రీఓపెన్ ది, క్లోజ్ చేసి. ఎందుకు ఇష్యూ నీకే వస్తున్నాయా?
ఏమో
Good practice not found. ఓకే ఒకసారి
ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ లోడ్ చేసుకుంటే డైరెక్ట్ చూద్దాం.
ఒకసారి స్విచ్ వర్క్ స్పేస్ ఒకటి
ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్
ఓపెన్ ఫైల్ కాదు ఓపెన్ ఫోల్డర్లే రైట్ క్లిక్ స్విచ్ వర్క్ స్పేస్ అదర్ జస్ట్ 1 లాస్ట్లో 1 లాంచ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్
ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ ఎక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా డైరెక్ట్.
ఓపెన్ చేయడం వేరు కదా ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ ఇంపోర్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ okay, go to file system, C D drive, practice, git practice, open that D drive. Practice, git practice, okay. Here, Hibernate app 1, it is not there. Here is the git practice, open that. Git practice. Open the Hibernate bulk operation. You see, one readme file is there. So, what branch you cloned? Open the clone command. In git bash. Git bash. What branch you cloned? C-B branch name. Clone. Just enter here 2 times. Frame. dir. Enter dir. Enter. ls hyphen la.
ls
hyphen la. Space మధ్యలో ls పక్కన la. ఓకే లే హైఫన్ పక్కన స్పేస్ తీసి la. ఇవి లైనక్స్ కమాండ్స్ ఓకేనా. చూడు ఇక్కడ నువ్వేం చేసిన మిస్టేక్ తెలుసా. సరే గిటప్కి వెళ్ళు. Select your branch here. ఇంకా ఏమైనా కోడ్ ఉందా. నువ్వు చేసిన మిస్టేక్ తెలుసా నీకు. అగైన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్. వ్యూ ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్. New branch. Write your new branch name. I told to select from master. Okay, but you selected main. That is a problem. Okay, you have to create exactly duplicate code from master branch. I told to create from master branch. Prime 1 is all. Okay, na. ఉండు ఆడ మెయిన్ అదే చెప్తున్నా. సెలెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ మాస్టర్. దట్ వాస్ మిస్టేక్ యూ డిడ్. ఓకే, క్రియేట్ బ్రాంచ్. ఓకే, బ్రాంచ్ క్రియేటెడ్. గో టు యువర్ git bash. Git pull. That means get the latest branch information. Okay, git pull. Here it is saying create a new branch created. Karthik _ prime 1. That is new branch it is saying. So now switch to that branch. How to switch? Git
clone.
Git
switch.
Switch space that new branch name. Just try to understand mistake here. I told to create from the master branch, but it is done by main branch. Main branch, nothing is there. Okay, prime 1 is new branch, right?
Okay.
Prime 1 and enter. Okay, it is switch to frame 1. Go to Eclipse and import again. Finish. Okay, it is importing. So try to do coding for your task, but by tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow
Okay.
I'll complete remaining topics in Git. Okay,
Okay.
fine. We'll continue tomorrow. Almost time over today. Okay,
Okay.
try to practice. And
Okay.
also remaining people who are not done by creating that GitHub account, please try to follow these 2 classes. Okay, otherwise after this you cannot understand these topics. It should be hands-on.